Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you few mistakes that you should definitely avoid if you want to make money on Clickbank and also with affiliate. Now, I've been in affiliate business for a few years right now, and plenty of times I see that people are repeating the same mistakes, so I prepared a notes for you, so what you should actually be careful about not doing and what kind of mistakes you should be definitely avoiding if you want to use Clickbank. So let's start. Now, I want to dive right into it, and I don't want to talk 5 minutes about how much money you can make on affiliate, how important it is to make money, whatever, right? Just pure what you have to avoid. Now, first thing first, listening to gurus and not doing the research by yourself. This is something that so many people are doing, that you're gonna see some guru showing you the best Clickbank products to sell, but what you don't promote, but what you don't see, or when you look even on strategies, what you just don't see, that if someone is recommending something to use, some kind of product, other 10, 15, 20,000 people can see it. Also on YouTube videos, in mastermind groups, whatever. So the best income you can get, the best revenue you can acquire is if you do the research, the work by yourself. And this is so damn important because guys, the best affiliates that I'm in, not a single YouTuber knows about. Yes, 2-3 of them, but comparing to really dominant ones, it's like free market for me. And I got affiliated, it's like recurring revenue that earns me 2-3K a month. Then it's going to recurring, so next year, 2 years from now, I'm still on the first position, no one knows about it, and I'm still doing well. Then another thing that I have is that I have in crypto affiliate that not a lot of people has. I got about 1 to 2K another one, and it's doing really well. And again, I got it really well covered, and I will cover it even deeper. So that's what I do. I do the research by myself, and that's something you have to learn, because if guru would say, okay, do this, and everyone was succeeding. The market is too small if you can have 20,000 people watching the video and testing the product themselves. And also, let's say that you would be using paid traffic, but then you are competing on that one keyword with other 10,000 people who are trying to cover it too. So your CPM, your cost per acquisition or cost per click is going to be even higher if you're going to optimize it that way, because you got huge competition. So I'll be really, really careful about listening to gurus if you want to make money, and you have to really focus on doing the research by yourself. The second thing that I have here is that picking the wrong things to promote. This goes same hand in hand with listening to gurus, that Clickbank has plenty of garbage, literally garbage promotion offers, but really few decent ones. Whatever company can put an offer there with a landing page which is completely, and with a program which is not great, a lot of them. But you have to be careful about it, and you really have to mind that, okay, you have to filter a lot. It's same when women are on dating app. We see it here that, oh my god, the woman got 100, 200 guys messaging her. And how many of them are good guys? How many of them are narcissists or something like that? Or I don't know, serial killers or something, So she doesn't know, and she have to figure it out. And it's not that easy. And if it would be that easy, it would filter out fast, but it's not. She have to test a lot. She has to go to dates with multiple guys, and she's like, oh my god, this is not real. Right? So that's something you have to keep in mind, that if you want to use Clickbank, there are going to be plenty of offers which are bad. Don't jump on the first lucrative things that is suggested to you. The third thing that I have here is that they spam social media. This is something that you can get banned, blacklisted, only because if you're gonna spam your Clickbank link, whatever Clickbank offer in Facebook groups, on TikTok in comments, YouTube comments in videos, Reddit, Quora, that you are literally spamming things on social media. Be really careful about it. That's something really important, because many times people think, oh my god, I know a group, I'm going to just post it there on Facebook, and then bang, you're banned. The fourth thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 thing I have here is that you're not building a list. So if you're gonna have, let's say that you are in a dating and you want to have like playing ads on how can someone date better or something for, let's say, gamers, dating for gamers. Let's say, imagine that. What would be really great if you would like build an email list that you can send other Clickbank offers to. So let's say that you would have email list of 10,000 people who are trying to date, and you would send them Clickbank offer on how we can lose weight, or how you can treat yourself better as a man if you have men in your target audience. So what is the best kind of clothes that you can get if you're gonna go on date, best dating tips, whatever, right? And you can have it. So that's something you should definitely focus on, and that's something that I would definitely recommend to do, is to build an email list. It's so damn important. Now the last thing, they join anything that shines. This is something that I see also on YouTube and everywhere, that everyone is doing what is trendy. It's so damn fascinating. No one understands the basics. Not a lot of people are doing the basics. The basics is where the golden is. Never forget it. Never ever forget that the golden things are those that are not trendy many times. They are not like, oh my god, I have to get rich quick. Those are the best ones that you can get. So to summarize this whole video, guys, Clickbank mistakes: listening to gurus, not doing research, and my camera went off right now. Picking up the wrong things to promote. Many times people just listen to gurus, they are not thinking by themselves. You need to do the research. Picking up the wrong things to promote. So what people are many times doing, they like come and take things and which are not suitable, they are not good, yet they promote it. And then spamming social media, like that can get you banned. And then they are not building lists for emails, and then joining anything that shines. This is something that to be really careful about. Now, another thing, guys, is that it's going to take time. Like, it took me good amount of time to make good revenue from affiliate. But, you know, you have to keep going. Constantly putting up the pressure on the market. Constantly. And that's how you're gonna win. Like, and if something doesn't work, adapt and go again. All the time. Always and forever. So that's how I would recommend for you to do things. That's how I do things. So if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. Thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.